This is a tier list that I found interesting, and I said I gotta do this for the stream. We didn't have enough time on our hands, but all right. So we really. All right, so we got goated. You already know we got goated, good. We're not gonna say mid. There's no such thing as a mid dad. There's no such thing as a mid dad. We're just gonna say goated dad, good dad. We're gonna say the average dad. We'll say average. We'll say average. And we're not gonna say trash. We're gonna say deadbeat. Deadbeat. No, this is a black sitcom tier list, so this is for TV. So we'll say deadbeat. We'll say deadbeat. Hey, Amir, you got chill, be chill, be that ass, chill, be. No, Will's dad was a deadbeat. That's what I'm saying. There's no such thing as a mid dad. What's a mid dad? We'll say average dad, and then we'll say not familiar. We'll say not familiar. We don't know him. Not familiar or didn't watch. We'll say didn't watch. I don't know why they don't got the colors on here. I can't edit the shit either. Wait, what? Wow. So they don't even got no fucking files on here. They don't even got no files on here. Wow. I thought this was... Why did they got this list up here then? Wow. They played us, Chief. I thought this list was on here. Nope, they don't got it for the mom either, because I was going to do the mom list too. Damn. Wow. They don't even got the full... They just put a list up here and just made people click on it, bro. That's crazy. They had a picture for it and everything. Wow. They put a picture on it and everything. I'm thinking like it's going to be a whole list of dads on here. And then we could react to this one. But nah, they played us, bro. They played us, bro. Damn, Chief. Some bullshit. Alright, do they got this one? Okay, good. They got this one. So we can just go ahead and do the Wayne's. We can go ahead and do the Wayne's movie tier list. We could do this one. What the fuck? I thought they had it on here. They don't even got the people on here, bro. They just made a list. They just, wow. They had a whole picture on here and everything. Had a description. I'm like, wow, this gonna be a good ass list. No, it ain't even nothing fucking on here. Nope, they don't got another one, sadly. Nope. I mean, unless I go look for one. I mean, I could try to look for one. Let me see. Let me see if I can look for one. Let's see. Because I really wanted to do this one. I really wanted to do this one. They had a whole description and everything. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, here go one right here. Okay. Okay, here go one right here. We can do this one then. We can do this one right here. Alright, so let's do this again. Goated. Good. Average. Deadbeat. And didn't watch. Okay, it's not that many options here, but we can give it a shot. Alright, so we got Uncle Curtis from House of Pain. We will put him in the average. He is not the best dad, but he there. He there. That's all we gonna say. Uncle Curtis is there. This is the granddad from Blackish. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just never got into Blackish, so I don't know too much about Blackish. I watched like 7 episodes. I could not get into it. It was just boring to me. It was just really boring. The dad from Sister. He was good. I ain't gonna lie, he was good. He was a good dad. He was a good dad. Bernie Mac, goated. Bernie Mac is goated. R.I.P. to Bernie. Moesha dad. That's a debate. Well, technically, Uncle Curtis is a dad to Calvin. If we being technical. Okay, so we got the dad from Moesha. That's a debate right there, bro. Cause I ain't gonna say he was a bad dad, but he had his flaws, bro. He had his flaws. Then again, they did end up losing Miles at the end. They did end up losing Miles, so I don't know. I kind of want to put him in the average, but he could go down here though. He low key could go down here. We just gonna say he average, bro. We just gonna say he there for his kids. Even though Miles got kidnapped and we never found out. Oh my god. Alright, let's see here. James from Good Times, goated. Yeah, that too. Bill Cosby. We'll put him in the good tier. We can't put him in the goated tier. We can't put Cliff Huxtable. We cannot put Cliff Huxtable in the goated tier for obvious reasons. And then we got John Witherspoon, the GOAT. Miles just didn't want to go to Arizona. Sorry I lied to you, Martin. I just didn't want to go to Arizona. Come on, man. You mean this ain't my son and I just spent all my money on Shorty? Oh, man. Hey, man. John Witherspoon to go. R.I.P. to John Witherspoon, man. Most definitely goated. Then we got Carl Winslow. Carl Winslow. We'll put him in goated. Put him in goated. Michael Kyle, goated. We'll put him in goated. Once again, Blackish. Did not watch it. Uncle Phil. Come on, man. Come on, man. Uncle Phil. Uncle Phil, man. It's Uncle Phil, man. It's Uncle Phil. First season, first recipe, Uncle Phil. For real, you the only father that I ever knew. I get my bitch pregnant, I'ma be a better you. Hey, yo. Do I look like a white guy named Ward? And then Julius. You know it's the OG Uncle Phil. It's the OG Uncle Phil. Come on, man. We got Julius. Goated. Julius is goated, man. So we got more goateds. We have no deadbeats, though. I was expecting, bro, I'm going to be honest with you. I was expecting all of them. Everybody understand Julius now. Julius was always on point. That's 39 cents worth of milk. Somebody go finish this milk. For real though. See here, man. So for the goated, we got Bernie. We got James Evans, John Witherspoon, Carl Winslow, Michael Kyle, Uncle Phil, and Julius. So that's all the goated. Sister, dad. Oh, damn. Julius. Facts. He loses goddamn mind. $2 for some gas? Hey, Julius would be trying to nigger rig a car to run on water. I guarantee you. Julius the type of nigga to try to nigger rig a car to make it run on water. So that way he ain't got to put no gas in the car. For real though. For real though. Let me see if I can do moms real quick. Let me see if I can do the moms real quick. Let's see here. All right, here we go. We got a mom tier list too we can do. We got a mom tier list we can do too. He said, Julius, do they have Nickelodeon TV shows? Oh, we're going to definitely get into some more, man. We're going to get into some more. Most definitely. We definitely gonna get into some more, but right now let's do the mom's tier list so we can get up out of here. Let's see here. So once again, goated, good, average, deadbeat, and didn't watch. Alright. Most definitely. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So the mom's gonna be a little different. They got a little bit more variety on here. What you thinking about the new Uncle Phil? I mean, the new Uncle Phil cool, but matter of fact, when is the show gonna come out? When have they announced Bel Air yet? Cause I'm trying to figure out when is Bel Air finna come out. Cause normally it'll be out by this time. It's February. Normally it'll be out. Cause Bel Air came out the last 2 Februarys. Where is that show at? I just realized that show ain't on Peacock right now. Alright. So off rip, we got the Black Aunt Viv. Okay, already off rip goated. In 2026. Are you serious? In 2026? Wow. That's too long, bro. Damn, they mad at Will like that? That slap was like 2 fucking years ago. They gotta get over that slap, bro. 2026, that is crazy, bro. We gotta wait for Bel Air. Oh, wow. They gotta get over that slap, bro. That shit is 2 years old, bro. Hollywood gotta get over that slap, bro. That shit is old, bro. Oh, I thought you was serious, bro. I was about to say, damn, we gotta wait that long for season 3? Well, whenever it come out, shit, they need to put that out. Shit, cause Kanan is over with. I don't know when BMF coming on. When do BMF come on? I forgot. I ain't been checking up. Who is this? Oh, the mom from the game. She could damn near go on deadbeat, but I'm gonna put her right here. Harriet Winslow. We gonna put her in goated. The light skinned Aunt Viv. We gonna put her average. I mean, some of them do. It depends though, cause some of these shows might not get picked back up. That's why they take a 3-year break, because some of them might not get picked back up. And then a company will be like, oh, you know what? We'll pick that season up now. That's really how it goes. It's on these companies to pick them up, because they the ones who distribute the money, basically. Once again, Blackish, I did not watch. D for Moesha, I damn near could throw her in deadbeat. We'll put her at average. She tried to get along with Moesha, but Moesha was being hard headed with her. But she did have her moments where it was like, all right, D, you do it a little too much. But Harriet Winslow. I mean, not Harriet Winslow, but Claire Huxtable. Claire Huxtable, we'll put her in goated. all off rip, she's goated. As you all know, we couldn't put Cliff Huxtable in the goated for obvious reasons. Rochelle. Nah, Rochelle's goated. Rochelle's goated. I was gonna put her in good, but nah, she goated for a reason. Auntie Ella, we gonna put her in we gonna put her in good. She was good. Florida Evans. Florida Evans is goated. We're gonna put her in goated. Once again, Blackish, don't know. Mama Payne. But she the one that kept the family together though. Even though she didn't get them out the project, she kept the family together though. You gotta understand, the family could have crumbled after James died. The family could have crumbled after James died. She kept the peace. She tried to hold it in as strong as she could. So you gotta give her her props, man. She held it in, bro. Cause that's hard. You know that's hard. Mama Payne goated. Mama Payne is goated. Mama Payne is goated. Mama Payne is goated. I don't care what y'all say. Mama Payne is goated. It's not even up for debate. Mama Payne is goated. Okay. Let's see here. Nikki Parker. I don't put her in good. I can't put her in goated. Kim was doing a little bit too much. Nikki Parker. Wanda. We'll put Wanda in average. She really didn't. She focused on her career more than them kids. And then we got the mom from Sister. We'll put her in. You see Monique interview. Yeah, I saw it, bro. I got a video. I'm gonna make a video on that. It's time to talk about Monique. It's time to talk about Monique. I ain't gonna say too much. Just know that's a video on the way. And then we got what was her name in My Wife and Kids? Jay. We got Jay from My Wife and Kids. We'll put her in goated. We can put her in goated. Most definitely, we put her in goated. So yep, that's gonna about do it. So we got you got dark skinned Aunt Viv, Harriet Winslow, Claire Huxtable, Rochelle, Florida Evans, Mama Payne, and Jay. And then good, you got you got Auntie Ella and Nikki Parker. Then in average, you got old girl from the game, light skinned Aunt Viv, D from Moesha, Wanda from Bernie Mac show, and the other mom from Sister. Maybe Orlando Brown gonna be the next. Hell no. You wanna know who I wanna see on there next? I want him to put Kanye on there next. I want him to put Kanye on there next. For real. We need Kanye. We need Kanye on Shannon Sharp. For real. That's what I want to see next. I want to see Kanye on Shannon Sharp. That's what really need to go on there. Cause I know that nigga will go off. I know he gonna drop a nuclear bomb if he go on there. Kanye will go the fuck off if he go on Shannon Sharp podcast. That will be the littest fucking episode of all time, bro. I'm telling you. He gonna go the fuck off. But yeah. Shit. What was we supposed to do after this? We supposed to oh yeah. Let's do a Nickelodeon one next.